At Planet Plexi, we work with many life science and biotech companies. Our services include high-precision machining and design. Our capabilities are second to none and include, but are not limited to, CNC milling, routing, lathe, and laser work. We manufacture in a variety of materials: acrylic, polycarbonate, polypropylene, stainless steel, and aluminum, just to name a few. And we service a wide range of industries. Our expertise stretches over 5 decades, and we've been servicing companies such as Edwards Life Sciences and Microvention in rapid prototyping and manufacturing. As mentioned before, we can manufacture in acrylic, aluminum, and stainless steel to suit most life science and medical field products. Products we've fabricated for our clients include medically approved cabinets, machine covers, isolation walls, manifolds, clamps, racks, and more. Our quality assurance team performs quality control evaluations on all finished products before they can be accepted into distribution. With over 40 years experience in this industry, you can depend on us. Let's get the conversation started today. Contact our professional staff by calling 714-730-4771 or emailing us at info@planetplexi.com.